demonstrating teamwork, listening and being open to different ideas, and displaying a positive attitude. These are a few of the values in practice for people. And for the cardiopulmonary rehab team, those values were front and center last summer when they were called upon to deal with a challenging staffing situation. That's why the team is this year's Values in Practice Team Award winner for People. Day in and day out, the cardiopulmonary rehab team is focused on the people they serve. People with heart and lung issues who are working to get back to being as healthy as possible. Last summer, they encountered a challenge that would impact their work.
So the summer of 2018, we had a big challenge put before us, and that was we had 2 full-time people off on FMLA leave, and so our staffing for a small department, that meant we were down 35%.
We came together as a team. We all offered ideas. We looked and listened to each other to see how we could overcome some of those shortages in our day-to-day, and we came up with solutions. We adjusted our schedule. Many of us worked days we don't normally work or picked up shifts that we wouldn't normally be working. So it was a complete team effort, everybody working together.
I think at first people were a little confused by how is this going to work, because they were like, well, tell me what day you need help. And it's like, well, we need help every day, really. Asking them to give what worked for them so they could still have some quality family time for the, as people want vacation over the summer, but then to still meet the needs of our patients. So we got real creative in our scheduling.
We focused a lot on making sure that the patients were able to get in to it for a timely manner so that we weren't losing our patients. It is very important that post-heart event that the patients get in and they stay motivated to continue with their healing.
We worked together, we communicated with each other, we understood that we were all in the same situation together. We tried to help out in any way we could.
When I added everything up at the end of the summer in terms of how many hours we had to cover, our staff and extra help worked 899 extra hours above what their usual schedule was. And in addition to that, we had about 80 hours of vacation time that people gave up.
When it was all said and done at the end of the day, we had our record numbers, we had great patient satisfaction. We just all continued with a smile, and the patients never knew what was going on.
Congratulations to the Cardiovascular and Pulmonary Rehab Department. They are very deserving of the People Award. They work very hard, and I'm very proud to work with them.
Thank you to the Bellin leadership for nominating us for this award, and congratulations to the Cardiac and Pulmonary Rehab team for your accomplishments.
I just want to congratulate the staff at Cardiac Rehab. It's been a pleasure working with everybody as well as our patients. It's always nice to see the patients come back smiling and giving us hugs at the end of the day, and it's just a great team to work for.